Hey, let's go kill some emos. That's right, Hobnob is obviously the emo. We can't really find the real emo. Might get done by someone you don't know, do you? Anyway, found one over here. Look at that, it's the same place as the Fachev. That's a coincidence. He's right over there. Let's... He looks like such a burden. Hey, Emo! How's it hanging? Guess what I've done? Hey. Oh! 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 Come over here, come and get me. Come and get me, little emo. Silly little emo. Oh! Oh, little emo. Oh! 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 He's gonna get some now! That's right! I hate emo!
I'm gonna go slit my wrist!
What?
I'm gonna go slit my wrist!
Come here!
Yeah!
Say it to the camera!
I'm gonna go slit my wrist!
Sucker! That's how it goes down in Smileyland. Let's go back over to the studio. That's right. There's our barbecue there, just in case we get a bit snacky. There's the studio. There's the depressed emo.